The law requires that all votes be counted, all legal eligible votes be counted. And that's exactly what we've done in all past elections. Unfortunately, the President of the United States is out assaulting our system, trying to undermine the rule of law here in Pennsylvania, North Carolina, Nevada, and other states where he's been attacking their voting system. And the point of that tweet is to make very clear that the election's over, not when Donald Trump says it is, but once all those votes are counted and a proper winner is declared, whoever that person is. For months, we've been working on this for months now, of having sort of three teams, if you will. The team that dealt with litigation leading up to Election Day. And as you noted, from that tweet, I think there have been 6 lawsuits filed by Donald Trump and his enablers. They're 0-6 and we're 6-0 to protect people's right to vote here in Pennsylvania. So the first team is dealing with all the litigation leading up to Election Day. The second team is going to deal with any issues that could come up on Election Day. And then the third team is prepared to deal with any litigation that may ensue once those polls are closed and the ballots are being counted. So we have lawyers and agents fanned out all across Pennsylvania, prepared to deal with whatever may come. I can't speak to what some candidate for an office may or may not do from a litigation perspective, other than to tell the public that we're prepared. We're prepared to play defense, and we are prepared with whatever steps need to be taken to ensure that all legal eligible voters have a safe and secure access to the polls and that their votes will be counted. What we obviously want to avoid and stop is any litigation that's designed to disenfranchise legal eligible voters. The good news for the people of Pennsylvania is there have been a number of lawsuits that have been filed in the run-up to the election that have tried to disenfranchise voters, tried to make it harder for people to vote. And every time we've gone to court, we've won to protect the voters here in Pennsylvania. And ultimately, my goal is to make sure that the will of the people is respected, whoever they choose for whichever office. I think it's also important to note that in addition to coordinating at the local level, we are coordinated with other state law enforcement agencies and our federal partners who are here in Pennsylvania. We all are going to work together to make sure that this is a safe and secure election, that people who are legal and eligible have the opportunity to show up and vote on Election Day, free from voter intimidation, free from any stress or chaos at the polls, and to make sure that people can be a part of our democracy. What I hope comes is a smooth and safe election, and people, giving these county clerks the patience that they deserve to count the ballots and to make sure that proper winners are certified in every race from the State House to the White House.